Yo, it's your boy Meech the Preach, man, and I am in Colorado. Look how beautiful the Rocky Mountains are, man. Like, I'm just a guy from Baltimore, man. I'm not supposed to be out here, but I am, though. You get me? It's beautiful, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm stuck in a small town in Colorado called Marble, Colorado. It's a real beautiful sight, but I got somewhere to be and it's getting dark. And it's one way in, one way out. And a semi-truck full of propane tipped over, so we're all stuck here. Yep. But I'll probably talk to y'all tomorrow once I get out of here. Start the vlog off like that in a better, way better way. Bro, this elk was just laying in the middle of the road, bro, and I'm flying down the hill. Spike, stay. Oh, she got hit. Guys, look how beautiful this is, man. I'm at Black Canyon, Gunnison Point view. Bro, this is crazy, bro. That's a long way down, too. Shit. Oh, it's your boy Meech the Preach, man, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm in Black Canyon, Gunnison Point, I believe it's called. It's in southwestern Colorado. You seen how I started off the video from yesterday when we were stuck inside the mountains. I was supposed to be here yesterday, but as you know, if you watched earlier in the video, some things happened. But yeah, man, we're here right now. I got Spike with me, so I can't do as much hiking as I want because dogs aren't allowed on some of these trails. But let's just do a few things. Let's walk around and explore some of what I can explore, and hopefully I can get some good content for y'all. I just want to show y'all how high we are up. Like, bro, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but that's like at least 1,000 feet, man. Like, look, I can try and zoom in all the way over there. That's literally a long way down. Bro, I wonder if anybody ever fell off like over there, or like any Native Americans used to like run the deer off there or something like that. 'Cause I know they used to do that. I watched a movie before that they did that. I think it was like 10,000 BC. You don't see nothing like this back in Maryland. Like, the most you'll see is like the Appalachian Mountains, which is nothing compared to this, man. It's crazy, man. Like, I'm really out here right now inside of Colorado, bro. Like, I drove all the way from the East Coast to Colorado and we're still going with my dog. I wish it was warmer though, but it ain't that cold right now. But I do wish it was warmer. Could be out here in short weather and stuff. But yeah, let's go on a hike. All right, guys. So I kind of want to go on that edge, but I kind of don't because I don't know what Spike's gonna do. But I'm gonna go anyway. But make sure we step in this dirt. Bro, it looks like there was other dogs here. Oh my God, bro. All right, Spike, you better stay your butt right here. Bro, do y'all see that? It's amazing, though. It's a long way down. Spike, what you think? Damn, man. Guys, isn't life beautiful? Like, get out in nature, man. Explore. Go on an adventure. Like, and for a lot of people saying, oh, this was a dumb idea for you to do, to leave your job, to leave a house, to bring Spike along, because he's suffering. Spike, are you suffering? You look so happy. He is not suffering, man. He was suffering when I was working them 14-hour shifts. Wasn't spending no time with him. He was getting fat. he wasn't being out. His anxiety's got a lot better since me and him started been on this road trip. So, yeah, man. Me and him are living the dream, man. And if I ever wanted to, I could go back to a job. I could go back to the normal way of living. But right now, that's not what I'm trying to do. You know? I'm trying to live life while I'm young. While I'm able-bodied. Let's go off the road real quick. See if we can find a nice little spot. Guys, I just can't get enough of this view, man. It's amazing. Damn, guys, Spike got a cactus in him. Shit, let me put my gloves to take it out. Well, you could tell that we're not from this side of town. That was in pretty deep, too, man. Let's throw that in the bush so another dog don't step on it. You okay now, bub? I seen him limping. I was like, bro. Oh, and I got one in me, too. Look at that. Like, go. You're going to put it more into me, bro. Stop. Get up. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, guys. See, this is kind of why I want, like, a camper with something a little bit bigger so I can leave Spike in it while I go on, like, hikes that dogs ain't allowed, or, like, go skiing or something and leave the heat on for him. Because in a lot of states, like Colorado, I'm not a breath man. A lot of states like Colorado, Arizona and stuff, it's illegal to leave your dog inside of the car, which I don't like doing it to him anyway, even if it's like 10 minutes, because he starts getting a little bit worried and stuff. But yeah, man, if I upgraded to like a camper, even like a van, bro, if I had enough money to buy a van right now, which is still technically a car, but he's got more room to lay down, and I could put like a heat and do so much more customizations to it than just my truck. That'll be way better, bro. So yeah, make sure y'all keep watching these videos, man, so we can see how this journey goes, man. But yeah, because I would love to do way more things, man. It's just with him. I don't want to make him seem like a burden or anything, but you know, sometimes dad want to be a dad. A dad don't want to be a dad. A dad wants to go out and do man stuff, but daddy duties, daddy doggy duties, man. But it's okay. We'll get there one day. And maybe I'll get another little dog for him to have a friend with, but that may be too much, man. But stay tuned for the future. Hopefully we don't get another cactus. Shit, we walked right into it. Spike, come here. I'm sorry, bub. Ooh. All better on that one. Let me see this one. All better, bub. Damn, man, we walked right into them too. There's a whole spot of them. Better now? Alright, stay. I'm gonna carry you. Stay right here. Alright, guys, so we got the rest of Spike's cactuses out his feet. He's not loving it, man. But guys, look how far we walked so far, man. Look, I'm over here. There's the canyon. My car's parked all the way over there. Ain't that some stuff? So I'm only gonna walk for a few minutes longer because I really don't want to get caught out here, man. One, it's freezing cold. When it's dark, man. Like you could, this is one of the spots that you could literally see the stars because there's no light for miles. Also, there's animals, man. There's grizzly bears, there's black bears, there's wolves, there's coyotes, there's bobcats, there's mountain lions, all that, man. And I am not trying to go up against that, especially in the dark, especially if I don't got a gun or a weapon on me. And if they see Spike, most bear attacks happen because of dogs. The dogs want to get big and bad and chase them and bark. So, yeah. So we're only gonna be walking for a few minutes longer. I'm gonna film a sit-down video somewhere over here. So make sure y'all tune into that too if it didn't drop before this. Even if it did drop before this, go back and watch the video, man, on why you need to leave your hometown. I was just talking to some people back there. They said there's a place called Pulpit Overlook right around this corner, so it should be a little bit better overlook as well. Dang, man, like, bro, it's just like a big hole in the ground, man. If a car goes down there, it's done, man. Those mountains in the distance are beautiful too. I would love to climb one of those mountains one day, like a mountain that big. All right, guys, so here's the place that they were talking about, the Pulpit Rock. This is probably where I'm gonna film the video at. No, this is where I'm gonna film the video at, but let's get a little bit closer. I'll give you guys a better look. Wow, guys, that's amazing. Solar shaping? What's this mean? Why are they? Oh, so basically the reason that it's sloped 93 degrees on this way and 63, like it's the reason why it's like more steeper on this side but not as steep on this side is because the sun faces north and it gets minimum winter sun. That's crazy. It is. Oh my God, Spike, you better stay back, bro. That is a long way down. It is getting a little bit chilly out here, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Spike, you better stay down because I don't know what's on the other side of this. Stay. Yeah, it's a big drop. You stay. Alright, guys, I'm gonna record my video and head back. Woo! I'm free. Feels amazing. Guys, it's so beautiful out here, man.